Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Development and maintenance of orchard cum Horti nurseries. What is the key objective of this scheme? For production and multiplication of good high-yielding disease-free planting materials in the government farms for sale through District Horticulture Officer, and introduction of new high-yielding varieties of mother plants suitable to the different areas of the state. What is the type of assistance service? Training, awareness program, extension, technology support. Who can apply for the scheme? Bona fide farmers engaged in agriculture, owning agricultural land or leased land of at least 200 square meters can procure planting materials at government's approved rates. How to apply for the scheme? Bona fide farmers can apply in plain paper through the nearest Horticulture Development Officer of a CNRD block, Horticulture Circle, District Horticulture Officer. What is the beneficiary selection procedure? Bona fide farmers on first-come, first-served basis. Whom to contact? District Horticulture Officer or Horticulture Development Officer.